Hello people, and welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel at John Michuki Memorial Park. As taking a walk, it's a very serene area, serene environment that is being taken care by our Kenya Forest Service officers. So as you can see, the current situation is good, although the weather in Nairobi is chilly. We've entered the 2 chilly months. They usually accompany with cold. Although the months are the month of June and July. So today I decided to take a walk at Jane Michuki Park. It's a very nice area where you can take a walk and chill out and release those stress and the burden that you always carry internally, because this area is taken care by the Kenya Forest officers. They know how to take care of the environment. There are so many trees that have grown here, and you know where the trees thrive. We have abundance of air, a good air quality, and I'm sure when you get here, you'll forget even you are in the city. This is a nice area where people can walk. Lovebirds can take a walk here, assuring each other of their love. So welcome and enjoy this short tour of this area, where it is characterized by short grass, just the Nairobi River doing its way down Nairobi. Just look for yourself, make your eyes enjoy the area, listen to the bird sound. People visit this area for just to unwind the day, make the hours pass. So if you have an interview in town around in the afternoon, you can take your time and come and visit area. You can relax, compose yourself before you enter that office or before you go for the interview. So let us walk and enjoy this time and enjoy the trip, the short trip around John Michuki Park. The area you can see in front of you is I think it is called an open amphitheater. Amphitheater is where people can gather as a crowd and get entertained by various artists. This is the area that people can stand and perform their things. Mm. Iberiti. This is the entry. This is also the exit of the amphitheater. You can see people relaxing, people taking walks and enjoying their time together. I love areas like this, so I decided today I'll not be working, or even I'll not be working for a few days, so that I can unwind my life. I feel like I've been carrying so much burden. I feel like I've been carrying heavy objects on my back and even on my head, and especially in my mind. I've not been good as I've been in the last few days or even weeks. So I thank God for giving me this time and for giving me a nice opportunity to get to unwind and get to visit his planet and enjoy the moment. Yeah, yes, cannot be living like animals. We have our brains, so we must use them correctly as how God please. The area is also very clean. It's been taken again. The environment is still being taken good care by also by the Nairobi City Council officers. Yes, together with KWS officers. So they also always clean the area and let people enjoy, be in a clean environment. Well, that is the forest manager's office and some of their rooms where they sleep or where they are relaxing while they are guarding this area. It's a good. I've never been here, by the way. That is a recyclable waste drop-off station where you can dispose of your plastic, your metal, paper, and beverage. Even you can drop off your pet. If you don't want your pet, you can come and drop them here. That is a nice area. That's really amused me. So yeah, just look for yourself. It's a nice area. Mm, people can relax. Take care. Can use this bridge to get over to the other side. Ni kama kuna kuanga na shortcut. But kindly observe the following. Those are the It's illegal to climb trees. So those are the rules of John Michuki Park, which you can use to guide you when you are inside the park. Mm. Yeah, been making a plants garden. Oh yeah, I would love to. Cancer. I don't know what that sign is saying. That is cancer palliative care plants display. Yeah, telling you today I am working and taking good time of my life. Working supported by NRS. I think it is closed. More relaxing area. Bado watu wameandika majina zao. No names. But this is a very nice area to have for you to cool off. Even if you fight with your friends and enemies, you fight with your family, you fight with your wife, you fight with your children. If you want a very cool place for you to cool off, or you even for you to forget your troubles, come to this area if you are within Nairobi. Yes, make sure you do. It's worthy. It's worth it. It's worth it. I'm just following these footpaths and making sure, just following them to see where they lead me. Yeah, can see the area to the farthest. What is it? Area. So let's go back. I take a little walk and to the front line. Was enough, enough is who I see. I take a little walk, yes, and to the front line. Look at this area. Ah, very nice. Can you see? Just see how the artifacts look. Yes, yes. Look at very nice area where you can put your picnic, your lunch. A very good area where you can relax with your friends and even have something to eat. Can you see? It's a very nice area for you and your friends, or even personally, to forget all the troubles that this world comes with. You can see there, even they are portraying the family, and even how the family begins. This is the pregnancy. An illustration that it depicts a woman, and that is a man who impregnates the woman, and they begin a family. You can even see the pregnancy there. So they know that family comes with its ups and downs. So you have to find a way for you to unwind and even try to forget your troubles. Just look at this area, or even you can come and sit. Yeah, it's a good area where you can relax for you alone, or even for you with your family, even with your friends, even with your lover, even with somebody that you trust, or even mostly alone. If you are alone and you know you need somewhere for relax, be alone even, just you and the trees and the environment. Yes. The environment is always talking to us, even if we can't hear the real sounds or even the real words like how we speak. But you can hear the river rolling there, you can hear the birds chirping, you can feel the trees moving, you can feel the wind, the leaves moving, and even the air changes from that of the busy street out there. It's a very nice area to unwind and even to feel relaxed. So yeah. I try so much to do how the world or even the life how it needs to be done, especially when you're having a family. But sometimes you can connect with people who are not meant to be with you. But what I know is that everybody you connect with in your life has a purpose, has a reason. There is a very good reason for you to connect with that person. I know that God intended for you to meet them so that you can learn one thing or two from them. Or even you can learn something very delicate that you've not been knowing, you've been in the dark about you, about your friends, about your family, about other people around you. But when you connect with this person, you get to understand what maybe life is, what marriage is, what family is, and you get to know so much more that was hidden from you. So there is a reason and a purpose for you when you meet other people who come into your life. So yeah, I hope that message gets to someone. If you are new here and you are enjoying the video, please consider subscribing. Make sure you click the bell for you to get more content from the channel when it uploads. Make sure you like the video, you give the big thumbs up, you subscribe, you share, and even comment your thoughts in this video. Thank you. Let us continue. Ni kama ukitumia kuja hoteli fulani hivi. Hii ni miezi yangu. Nimejua. Nimejua. That's why ukiingia huku nini. Forest. I've known it. Hey guys, can't see my phone. Hey. It has relaxed this area. You can feel the water gushing out. Yeah. Oh. So this is where Nairobi River starts from. Hmm? Yeah, just so you can see the area, how it looks like. It's a very nice area. It's a serene area. It's a very exactly in Nairobi. This is where Nairobi River starts from. You can see how it is made, how the area looks like. Yes, and then it flows all the way into Nairobi Estate.